Hey loves, thanks so much for tuning in to today's video. Your girl will be showing you how we make our sweetened birthday cake lip gloss. So stay right there in your seats, don't you go nowhere, you heard me?
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now.
Okay love, so we're starting out by disinfecting our workspace. We are using some Clorox wipes just to kill any germs on the counter space. And it's also important that you sanitize those hands. So you want to kill the germs on your hands and then also apply gloves, especially if you're making products for customers, if you're going to be selling them for your business. So yeah, we're getting gloved up because that is what we always do if you are familiar with my tutorials. But I'm so excited to show y'all this one today. Birthday cake and sweeten. So we're going in first. I'm just showing you our premium lip gloss base, Emmy Premium. This is of course from No Problema, my favorite lip gloss base right now. We are pretty much taking what is remaining and just putting that into the bowl, because I don't want to waste any, of course, but we're going in with our coconut oil. This is our liquid or hydrogenated coconut oil. And I'm doing this by eye today. If y'all would like to see how I do when I use measurements, y'all feel free. I have so many tutorials up. But a good rule of thumb, depending on how much you want to make, is 3 tablespoons of each oil. But yeah, I'm just eyeing it, but I'm transferring it into my metal bowl because it can hold more. So that way when I add all of my ingredients, it's not overflowing and doing the most, making a hot mess. But this is our polyisobutene. This is going to give it that slip, make those lips look nice and juicy and glossed up and saucy. This is our Lin Natural preservative. You want a cosmetic safe preservative, and we just did 2 droppers. And now we're going in with our cake batter flavoring oil, okay? We're gonna go ahead and mix that up really good. I love how the cake batter flavoring oil smells. It smells like something is baking. I just love it, like I'm making a cake, you know? It smells so good. So in this one, you guys, since it's basically a clear gloss, I didn't use like grapeseed oil or any of the other oils that would turn it, color, that would affect the clearness of the gloss. So pretty much just coconut oil, polyisobutene, and then the flavoring oil. And now we're going in with organic monk fruit. And this is safe. It's organic, but it does not have calories. It's a 0 calorie sweetener. And I like that it doesn't have a bad aftertaste or anything like that, but don't be like slurping it down. It's just so when you put on your gloss, it just has a little sweetness to it, because to me it just doesn't match when the gloss is smelling all good and there's no type of taste whatsoever. It just tastes like oil. But these are our sprinkles, okay? They're vegan sprinkles, and I got these from Amazon. I'll drop links for y'all below in the description box, as I always do. But we're going to be kind of generous, okay? We're going to be generous. Drop the sprinkles in and we're going to mix those babies in. Mix, mix, mix those pretty rainbow sprinkles. You just want to make sure they're good and coated with gloss. So it's pretty simple and straightforward. The hard part is putting the gloss in tubes with sprinkles, and you can buy smaller sprinkles if you like as well, but I am not going to be filling my tubes using like just a syringe. I'm going to use this 8-ounce squeeze bottle that I purchased from Amazon. And I'm just going to use my spoon. Y'all have seen me do this before. This is a simple way to do it. And then also what I ended up doing off camera, y'all, I snipped the top of the nozzle just to widen it up a little bit before putting on the pipette, just to open it up so that the gloss with the chunks of sprinkles would flow through the pipette and wouldn't get stuck. I did not want to be dealing with all that madness and that drama. I like to make life easier, so I'm just telling y'all, just in case y'all have issues not being able to, fill your gloss tubes with this thick stuff. Alright, y'all, so we pretty much got her filled and ready to go. And so now we are putting the lid on. And like I said, I snipped the little nozzle after I took the red cap off. We are going to go ahead and snip the pipette on each end to open that up. We want to make sure that it's nice and open so that the gloss can flow through easier. So we're gonna stick that on there, but like I said, I did go back and snip that just so it would be easier. But then after you snip the nozzle, you put on the pipette and tape it on. I use duct tape because it's really, heavy duty. I like to put that on because gloss gets slippery and it sure will slide off if you don't have good tape. So just a tip just to help y'all out a little bit. If y'all have questions, y'all can either comment below or reach out to me on social media. I'm here for y'all as much as I possibly can be. I want to see y'all win too. So anywho, how we're just cutting the duct tape and we're going to just wrap that around. Really simple, just like that. So we'll stay secure. But y'all, I do this 2 to 3 times and I squeeze down on the tape. See, we're doing it again. And I'm going to press down on the tape after I get it completely wrapped around. And that's pretty much that. Pretty straightforward. So now, you see what I mean? When you snip it, it just opens it up and you see how it's flowing through. They're not getting stuck. But I think this part is so mesmerizing. I absolutely love what it looks like going into the tubes. I don't know, is it just me, y'all? I can't be the only one obsessed with, seeing gloss be made and the tubes be filled and everything. But hopefully y'all find this video helpful. But I really love doing this. It's, puts me in my happy place. But it is sweetened. So if you have not tried to sweeten your gloss, or if you just haven't found something that didn't have an aftertaste, or something that was 0 calories that didn't taste awful, monk fruit is not cheap, especially organic, but it's worth it for the glosses that you do want sweetened, because it's not going to be as harmful as some of the other sweeteners. Y'all, learning to make different lip glosses is like trial and error. It's definitely a learning process. So be patient with yourself. You will improve over time. You are going to learn so much. If you have questions, if you'd like to see other videos, like as to how I exactly started my business, things that you do in the Shopify store in the back office part, Any questions like that, y'all reach out to me, let your girl know, and I do my best to deliver. But birthday cake is available now on our website, LovelyAngelShop.com. So come shop with us, gals. Yes, we love our angel niesta so much. But I hope y'all did find this video helpful. Like I said, if you have any questions, let your girl know. It's pretty straightforward. Once you start filling your tubes, it's just pretty much repeat. Once the bottle gets low, you put some more gloss in there, just unscrew it, put some gloss in it, put it back on, and finish filling your tubes. It's really easy once you get going. Just giving these girls a bath in some Dawn and alcohol to remove the oil residue. Thank you so much for watching, loves. I hope you'll subscribe and join the fam. Please do like, comment, and share this video. Sharing is caring. And also give me a thumbs up if you found the video helpful. I'd greatly appreciate a follow on all social media at LovelyAngelLady. Okay, y'all know how to find me.